This is the Oukitel RT10 and this thing is built differently. If it gets dirty with mud, you can literally wash it like washing your hands because it has IP68 and IP69K support. It's not just durable, it's an absolute powerhouse. It packs some incredible features like a massive 25,000 mAh ultra-large battery, a cutting-edge 4nm 5G chip, a huge 12GB plus 512GB of memory, and an actual night vision camera. It's the utility features that truly stand out. We're talking about a super loudspeaker, an integrated camping light, an 11-inch high brightness screen, and premium touches like NFC and a fingerprint sensor. Plus, it's compatible with Pogo pin seat chargers and the official aluminum bracket. So let's check it out with the unboxing. The box is what you'd expect from a rugged tablet, big, though they don't reveal much about the specifics except for the massive storage and RAM. Inside, the first thing we see is the RT10 itself. It's huge and has some serious weight to it. Let's set this Titan aside for a moment. Everything else is neatly arranged. We get the necessary paperwork like the user manual, warranty card, and SIM ejector pin. But what's truly crucial are the accessories that make this a true field tool. We get the necessary 33-watt charging adapter and a Type-C to C charging cable. More importantly, for field work, we have the straps. This includes the shoulder strap to keep the tablet from falling, plus a leather hand strap for a better grip and security on the job. And finally, a solid aluminum bracket for extra support, which makes the tablet feel more stable when you're holding it and adds protection if it's dropped. That's a nice touch for mounting or adding an external handle. That's everything you get in the box. Let's take a closer look at the tablet itself. Picking up the Oukitel RT10 for the first time, the word that immediately comes to mind is substance. You'll notice immediately that this thing is a brick, weighing in at 1,258 grams, over 2.5 pounds, and a massive thickness of 22.5 millimeters. This heaviness is the trade-off for that huge 25,000 mAh battery. It also offers 5-watt reverse charging, so this tablet can be used as a power bank for your phone or other devices. That battery can last up to several days on standby and over hours of light use. A truly uncompromising industrial design built to survive. On the right side, we have a USB-C charging port, a 3.5mm headphone jack. And since this is a SIM-enabled tablet, you can insert 2 SIM cards or use 1 SIM card and a micro SD card for up to 2 TB of storage. Just make sure to seal them properly when using the tablet in water. At the bottom, the Pogo pin connectors are a great touch, especially for industrial accessories like charging docks or attaching a keyboard. On the left side, it's empty, and at the top, you'll find all the buttons. The power button includes the integrated fingerprint sensor, volume buttons, and 2 customizable buttons. I've customized one to open the camera in the water and the other for the flashlight. For audio, there are 2 super loudspeakers on the back. They look good, actually sound pretty loud, and even give some vibration. Check out the audio samples. Let's examine the display. The Oukitel RT10 is equipped with an 11-inch high brightness FHD IPS screen. This panel provides a 1200 by 1920 resolution, giving it a pixel density of about 205 pixels per inch. Crucially for outdoor use, The screen offers a peak brightness of 500 nits for smoother motion and a better user experience, especially during scrolling or video playback. The tablet features 120Hz refresh rate for smoother visuals and a more responsive touch experience. Of course, a rugged tablet screen needs to be durable. This one is protected by a substantial 1.1mm thick layer of Corning Gorilla Glass, which gives you peace of mind against scratches and impacts. The display manages to maintain a respectable 80% screen-to-body ratio, despite the protective bezels. The Oukitel RT10's primary selling point is its durability, and it carries the triple protection ratings you'd expect from a serious rugged device: IP68, IP69K, and military grade. I suggest keeping the screws tightened on the back if you're submerging it in water, as continuous immersion is typically rated for up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. With the IP69K rating, this tablet can even handle high pressure, high temperature water jets, so you don't have to baby it. Simply put, this tablet is built to withstand more water, dust, and shock than you are. You can take it anywhere without hesitation. It is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset. Lots of power for a rugged tablet, and I'm glad to see it. It's paired with 12GB of RAM plus 32GB of virtual RAM, and a generous 512GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2TB. It runs Android 15 and supports OTG, NFC, GPS, Bluetooth 5.4, and Wi-Fi 6E, giving you all the connectivity and performance features you'd expect from a modern rugged tablet. A standout feature often found in Oukitel's rugged devices is the high-powered camping light. It's designed to be a reliable and bright light source for outdoor use, fieldwork, or emergencies, so you won't need to carry a separate lantern. This built-in light is much stronger than a regular phone or tablet flash and can easily light up an entire campsite or workspace. It also comes with several modes, including full brightness, low power, and an SOS signal, making the tablet a genuinely useful piece of survival gear powered by its massive battery. The Oukitel RT10 is equipped with a robust and versatile camera system, ideal for rugged and low-light environments. The device features an impressive triple rear camera array headlined by a high-resolution 64-megapixel main camera, which ensures crisp, detailed image capture for both professional and recreational use. Complementing the main sensor is a powerful 20-megapixel night vision camera that utilizes infrared technology to capture clear photos and videos even in complete darkness, a crucial feature for fieldwork or extreme outdoor activities. Rounding out the rear setup is a 5-megapixel macro camera, perfect for close-up shots to document fine details of equipment or objects. For video conferencing, selfies, and biometric security, the tablet sports a high-resolution 32-megapixel front camera. This complete camera suite allows the RT10 to handle all types of photography, from daylight documentation to specialized low-light tasks. I'll show you some real-world samples so you can see how these cameras perform. If you wonder how is the video quality from the front and the back, so here you are. Now I'm recording this video from the front camera of Oukitel RT10. This is the video quality you get from the front, which is 32 megapixel, and while filming from the front camera you can zoom in till 4x. 4x, nice. The video quality looks nice, but it is not offering 4K, it only offers 1080p. Okay, now I'm recording this video from the back camera of Oukitel RT10, which offers 64 megapixel and 2K video recording. So I'm walking slowly, you can see the results. This is 1x, okay, and you can zoom. This is 2.1x. This is 4x. The maximum you can zoom the video, 4x. Look at the video quality, not bad. I did not expect this quality from the tablet, but it offers good quality, not bad. All right. The Oukitel RT10 proves that rugged doesn't have to mean compromise. It's built for tough environments, easy to handle in the field, and packed with thoughtful features that actually make work easier. If you need a tablet that is reliable, practical, and ready for anything, this one delivers. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. 你不要动就可以了。